Hi, today we are going to solve this indices problem. Oh, this is looking so difficult. But look at this, how we can make it easier. 25 can be written as 5 square, right? And the power is 3 upon 2. So we will multiply this. Now 4 can be written as 2 raised to the power 2. And 9 can be written as 3 raised to the power 2. Now we know that a raised to the power m and whole to the power n can be written as in a product way. So we will multiply 2 multiply 3 over 2 and here 2 multiply half and then we have 3 raised to the power 2 multiply negative half, right? Now 2 cancel. So in this way we will cancel all that. Now we have 5 raised to the power 3 multiply 2 raised to the power 1. And in a denominator, if we have 3 raised to the power negative 1, we can switch it to the numerator as 3. Now, look at this. For this multiplication, we will first multiply 5 into 2. Because 5 into 5 into 5, if we are going to multiply, it will take time. Right? Now, directly 25 into 3 multiplied by 10 is equal to 750. Isn't it easier? Now, come to next question. Right? Here we have negative 1 over 7 whole square. So our base is equal. So and the division sign is there. So what we will do? Base over 2 and negative 3. Because we know that, right? The rule. Now we have negative 1 over 7 raised to the power negative 1. And negative 1 means we can reciprocate it, right? So our answer will be negative 7. Now come to next question. Here we have 7 raised to the power 2 and again we have division sign, right? Division sign means we will subtract the power, right? So we can write here 7 raised to the power 2 divided by 7 raised to the power 2. And we know that if any number is having power 0, that will be equal to 1. Okay? Now come to next question. This is very easier. Okay? Whenever it is given in the decimal form, you have to write in the reciprocal form. And if there are 4 digits after decimal, so it is going to be 10 raised to the power 4. And then we will multiply the power negative half. So we have 10 raised to the power 2, that is going to be 100. Subscribe the channel for more like this. And if you like the video, don't forget to